It's a great day for grilling.
Happy Friday! It's the first day of May. And you know what that means? Grilling season! Yay! And we've got the perfect toy for you. This is the Smart Sizzling BBQ Grill. If you guys love our ice cream cart, which I know all of you do, you're gonna also love this grill. So there's gonna be a learning mode, a play mode, and a music mode. The barbecue skewer is gonna recognize the colors and names of all of the foods and then have silly responses.
So the first mode is counting.
Let's explore numbers and colors. 2 peppers on my skewer. Turn my skewer to cook them. 1, 2.
And then the next mode is pretend play.
Let's grill some veggies and meat.
Okay.
So we can put on steak.
Steak well done. Yum, yum, yum.
I also love that if you
Press down on the grill, it has some hot sizzling effects, and it'll also say some safety stuff like be careful, don't get burned.
if you press the center button,
Put the steak on the skewer.
it'll tell you which item to find.
Perfect. Let's turn the heat level to 2 for a slow roast.
And then it'll tell you what temperature to put it on, which is great for following direction.
2. Grill-tastic. Close the lid to start cooking. It
On the
smells
music
great.
mode, which is my favorite, it has silly
Sizzle
songs
grill or turn- Eggy, eggy, eggplant.
for all of the different food pieces. Let's try that one.
Fishy fish, fish, fish.
It's just silly.
Comes with little condiments, forks and plates, and as you guys know, the best part, everything stores inside the grill. So you can just pack it all in
Press, turn,
and then store it when you're not using it, and it also rolls.
grill with you.
Check this one out. It's perfect for the summer.
Time to check. Steakalicious. 2, 1 for a
Yeah,
slow
press the red
roast.
button.